Alright guys, if you're running out of storage on your Firestick because of those default Amazon apps, I've got a fix for you. You can't uninstall them completely, but you can delete all their updates and block Amazon from adding more. Let me walk you through it. First, let's take a quick look at storage. Go into your settings and check how much space is left. Mine is almost full, so this will make a big difference. Now, the first thing we need is an app called My Explorer. Open the downloader app on your Firestick and type in this code, 730116. Scroll down to the Utility Apps section and select My Explorer. Install it, then delete the APK when prompted so it doesn't take extra space. Once done, open My Explorer from your apps. Inside the app, move to the left side and select Apps. This shows every app on your Firestick, including the ones Amazon pre-installed. Here's the trick. Highlight something like Prime Video, hold down the select button on your remote, then choose Uninstall. That deletes all the updates from the app, but the app itself stays. Do the same with Amazon Music, shopping, or anything else you don't use. You can even select multiple apps at once and clear their updates together. Now, to make sure Amazon doesn't sneak those updates back in, we'll block them. Go back to Downloader, type in the same code 730116, and this time download an app called NetGuard. Install it, delete the APK, and open the app. Click the three dots at the top, go into Settings, then Advanced Options, and turn on Manage System Apps. Now scroll through and find the apps you don't want updated. Tap the Wi-Fi and data icons next to them, and that cuts off internet access for those apps. No internet means no updates. Finally, turn on the main toggle at the top to activate NetGuard and confirm the changes. Last step, restart your Firestick. Once it boots back up, those apps won't be able to update anymore, and you've freed up storage that stays free. I just cleared around 400 megabytes on mine, which is huge on a Firestick. So that's how you clean up your Firestick, keep the storage free, and stop updates from filling it back up. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.